guys, and welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. Belatedly, this one is from September. Don't judge me, I'm trying to catch up. You know I've had a lot of things going on. So, we've got Hello Fresh, 18 free meals. I will set that aside for my sister. I promised those to her. There's no expiration, right? I don't think so. I think it's good. Double checking. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything about a date, so I think it's safe. Cool, I can give her that. Yeah, Best in Beauty deserves best. They're trying to sell you the magazine. Alright, fine. Where's the little magazine that usually comes with this? Oh, it's way down at the bottom. That's weird. And with another ad. How many ads do they throw in nowadays? That's ridiculous. Anyway. So, here's our cover girl for September. Kinda looks like Michael J. Fox's wife, not gonna lie. Or one of his twin daughters. Either or. I don't think it's her, though. So, inside the box, begin again. As summer fades and fall quickly approaches, it's the perfect opportunity to push reset on your beauty routine. The September Allure Beauty Box has exactly what you need to refresh your skin and hair, plus 1-star makeup product. Just look to your right that instantly wakes up tired eyes. In a matter of minutes, Eve Lom's Rescue Mask, formulated to revive dull skin, and Kristen S.'s Moisture Mask, a treatment that repairs dry hair, are downright transformative. The same can be said about Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Face Oil, which gives you glowing skin while you sleep. How's that for time well spent? So, the first thing in here is by a brand called Kulfi. Yeah, you see what I was like, comparing it with the picture, I was like, that is a weird font. Kulfi Kajal Eyeliner in Cheeky Chiku. Once applied, Kulfi's liner isn't going anywhere until you wash it off. Retail price is $20. This is full size. Cheeky Chiku is apparently a brown shade. Let's see it. Oh, it's a little skinny guy. It's kind of tapered, if you can tell. I'm not sure if you can really see that or not, but it is. Anyway. Trying to open it carefully and not break it. I'm not having great luck at this. What is going on here? Is it like a screw top? No? Why does it? Okay, got it. Whoo! But it was screwing up as I was doing that, so it is this deep chocolatey brown shade, which thankfully isn't like as light of a brown as a lot of brown liners tend to be, where I'm just like, this is like not too far off from black, so maybe I can make it usable. Anyway, pop back on, please. Thank you. Alright. So, you can get this at Sephora, and it says, why you'll love it. A flick of this rich chocolate brown liner is much more forgiving than the typical inky black, while still making an impact. Kulfi's Best of Beauty award-winning, long-wearing gel glides on with ease compared to a harsh pencil or messy liquid, and stays put all day, even on your lower lash line, says Han. How you'll use it. For a bold look, trace the pigment along your lash lines and extend it out past the corner of your eyes to create a defined wing. For a more sultry finish, use a shadow brush to smudge the liner out. Okay, so use it like an eyeliner. Obvi. So next... Oh, this is like a decent size. I think this is possibly even full size. Ooh, this is the Eve Lom Rescue Mask, and says skin looks refreshed after a single use. This is $58 for this size, because this says 50 milliliters, and I checked the back, it's 50 milliliters. $58 for this little thing! My goodness, that is insanity. So, why you'll love it. This face mask is a brilliant solution for stressed out skin. It uses kaolin clay to help reduce the oiliness in your T-zone that can lead to breakouts without leaving your face feeling totally parched in the process. And its herbal scent makes the experience feel as spa-like as it gets within the confines of your bathroom. How you'll use it. Massage a generous layer over your face. One 20-minute application makes your skin look noticeably radiant and feel remarkably softer. Like, resist the urge to touch your face softer. Okay. Okay, I'm here for that. Next, this is not the first I've had of this. I actually have a little sample, same size as this, in my bathroom right now that I'm working on. This is the Kiehl's since 1851 Midnight Recovery Concentrate Moisturizing Face Oil. So, retail price is $88 for 1.7 ounces. That is crazy. And how much is this little sample? Okay, it landed in the box. Good. The little sample is 0.14 fluid ounces. Okay, yeah, I was gonna say, they aren't just gonna give that stuff away. So, why you'll love it. While you catch some Z's, Kiehl's Face Oil, a blend of lavender, evening primrose, and rosemary oils, makes sure your skin gets a good night's sleep, and the quick-to-absorb formula sinks right into your skin, not into your pillow. How you'll use it. Press several drops into your face, neck, and décolletage. Well, I already knew that, because I already have some that I'm currently working on. So, and then we have the Kristen S. Strand Strengthening Reconstructive Moisture Mask. So, the size we have, this is a sample, but how big is our size? This is 0.9 ounces. The 6.7 fluid ounce size would be $15, which is very affordable, especially for that size. And I love the brand Kristen S, just throwing that out there, so I'll probably love this. Anyway, why you'll love it. Hair damage may be inevitable from heat styling, coloring your hair, and everyday habits such as brushing your hair, but with Kristen S's nourishing in-shower treatment infused with hydrating coconut oil and shea butter, you can extend the time until your next trim. How you'll use it. Once a week, replace your conditioner with this moisturizing mask. Let it sit for 5 minutes, comb it through, and rinse for super shiny hair. You can get this at Target, so very easy, and that's why it's so affordable. It's a Target item. But yeah, I love their brand. They're really good. Next, we have a Mud Masky Serum-Infused Moisturizer. Let's see, what size do we have? Does it say? I'm not sure it says. That's so strange. Oh, yeah, it does. Okay, wow. 40 milliliters, which this is exactly what that is. $55. My goodness, so this is just a crazy box of value. So, anyway, why you'll love it. This lightweight moisturizer does more than just hydrate with sweet almond and sunflower seed oils. Fruit extracts gently exfoliate and aloe soothes signs of irritation. How you'll use it. Cleanse your face, pat it dry, and rub on a thin layer of Mud Masky's moisturizer for supple skin. Man, I can't get over the fact that that's that much money for that little tube. And then we have a sheet mask. You know I love me my sheet masks. This is by Rael Beauty. Looks like this. Makes me think of the Who song Rael. And this is the collagen sheet mask. Plumps and smooths, free of parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, silicone, artificial fragrance, benzophenone, artificial dye, PEG, talc, or phenoxyethanol. Why you'll love it. The radiant results you'll get from this easy-to-use mask rival a luxurious facial. Licorice root extract smooths skin while amino acids plump. How you'll use it. Stick the mask on your face, put your feet up for at least 10 minutes, and after peeling the mask off, press in any of the excess serum. So, you can go to getrael.com and get 5 sheet masks in a box. And it's $16 for 5. Which, trying to do the math on that, that seems a little steep, but I mean, if it's really kick-ass, maybe it's worth it, but I've seen worse. And after that, it's just more ads for stuff that's in the Allure shop. So that was the September box. It did not suck. that's a pretty good value, all things considered. So anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.